Hello everyone, Don Resolute Outdoors here. So if you're like me, you enjoy watching a good video on a pack, on a kit for whatever you may be, either backpacking, hiking, a get home bag, like a bug out bag or something like that. I just enjoy seeing different people's kits and backpacks and the way they have packs set up for different tasks that they're doing. And now, there's one thing that I think some people talk about, but a lot of people don't talk about, and I think it is important, and that is some sort of anti-friction stick. Now, if you're out backpacking, you're camping, or you need to go somewhere and walk an extended distance, especially if you're a bigger guy like me, chafing and things like that can be detrimental. If you're out for just a day or so, it's just a minor inconvenience that might ruin your fun for the day. But if you are going on an extended backpacking stay and you get wet, or you're chafing from sweat or whatever else, and you're on day 2 of a day 5 trip, you're 10 miles plus out from the nearest place you can stop, you're going to want to have some sort of way to stop some friction. And I know there's a lot of like body powder and stuff like that to kind of help out down there as well, but it's not the same as having an anti-friction stick, like an anti-chafing stick or something like that. Now, I know not really something cool or sexy or anything like that, but something that if you're on a 5-day backpacking trip and you're day 2.5 in and you start to chafe really bad, best case scenario, it's just annoying for you the rest of the day if you don't have anything to remedy that. Or worst case scenario, that gets infected and you're having a serious problem when you're X amount of miles out from the nearest road or nearest town or village or whatever else. So just something to keep in mind. They don't weigh that much. They're not that heavy. I don't think the brand really matters too much. This is Gold Bond brand. I know they think these are really designed more for runners than outdoor enthusiasts, but just something to keep in mind. Especially for the weight you have, it's kind of a good insurance policy in case you do start having those kind of issues when you're out and about, and especially in like a more emergency type of situation where you need to get from point A to point B, like a get home bag or something like that. Being able to move freely and to not risk infection can be very important for you. So just wanted to kind of go over that with you today. Just a few bucks, not a big deal, but like I said, it's not the most cool or sexy thing to go over. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is Don with Resolute Outdoors. Until next time, guys, I'll see you.